Unlock TikTok Live in Pakistan, your ultimate guide. Hey Pakistan! Ever dreamt of connecting live with your TikTok family? This tutorial is your key. Let's unlock TikTok Live together and boost your social media game. First, ensure you have 1,000 followers. You also need to be at least 16 years old to go live, and 18 plus to receive gifts. Needing these? Awesome, let's proceed. Tap the plus icon, then swipe to live. Add a captivating title, think Q&A with your name. Finally, hit go live and boom, you're broadcasting. Timing is everything. Catch your followers when they're online. Good lighting and a tidy background are crucial. Engage with comments, answer questions, and promote your live beforehand on other platforms. Ready to shine? Start your TikTok Live journey now and connect with your Pakistani audience like never before. Like this video, follow for more tips, and tell us what you'll be live streaming about in the comments.